ADDY shared with agent STACY GALBRAITH screenshots of photos Chris sent to her on the 20th of June 2018. Agent STACY GALBRAITH, Colorado Bureau of Investigation. On the 18th of August 2018, ADDY shared with me that Shanann texted her screenshots of photos Chris sent to her on the 20th of June 2018, which was the date of Shanann's first sonogram for Nico, which Chris missed. She said that he was running from tornadoes and that was why he missed the sonogram. ADDY thought that the photos looked like the area in which the bodies of Shanann, Bella, and Celeste were found and wanted to forward them. On the 20th of August 2018, ADDY texted me about an email she gained knowledge of that Chris Watts responded to on the 14th of August 2018, which concerned her because he was missing his wife and children and talking with police on the matter when he responded. Chris received an email about fantasy football and was sure to respond that he was in, during the time when his wife and children were missing.